Hey everybody, Paul Sizer here from the Print Center in the College of Fine Arts at Western Michigan University. Short video for this one. I'm just going to be going over real quickly the different formats of paper that we have and the different kinds of paper that we have in the Print Center for you to print to. The paper that we have here falls into two base categories. We have paper that comes in sheets, pre-cut sizes, and we have paper that comes in rolls that are of different widths and then can be any length that you need. So this chart that I made here has been provided to all of your professors so that they can share this with you so that you have a reference for the type of stuff that we have. What I've done is just take a look at what we have in our basic inventory, stuff that we have here all the time that we keep stocked, that we always have supply of, and indicated what sizes we have and in that size what types of paper that we have. So let's view up just real quick. And we can take a look here. So with sheet paper, we've got our basic sizes that we have in the Print Center. Letter size, which is 8.5 by 11. A3 size, which is 11.7 by 16.5 inches in size. We've got tabloid size, which is 11 by 17. And we have Super A3B paper, which is 13 inches by 19 inches. And what I have here, this chart is showing that in these different sizes, these are the styles of paper that we have. These different styles are either coated papers, uncoated papers, they're papers that have a glossy finish, they're papers that have a matte finish, they're papers that have a luster finish. So this listing here just basically kind of shows you, here's what we've got in 11 by 17, or rather 8.5 by 11, here's what we've got in A3, here's what we've got in 11 by 17, and here's what we've got in 13 by 19. Over on the roll section over here, we have a few rolls, a few types of paper that come in rolls that are 16-inch width, 17-inch width, but a majority of the stuff that we're going to be printing, if you're printing to a roll, you're probably going to be printing quite large stuff. So I would say a majority of what you're taking a look at there is going to be things that will be off of our 24, 36, or 44-inch roll. So again, with that, we've got more types of paper in those different categories. We have single weight matte paper, enhanced matte. Single weight is like a thin paper. Enhanced matte is a little bit more of a substantive uncoated matte paper. Luster paper has a little bit of a sheen to it. Glossy paper has a high sheen to it. But in addition to these types of papers, we also have specialty things like print and stick, which is a semi-coated paper that is adhesive that you can peel off and stick to things. We have draft paper, which is very inexpensive and kind of a low-grade paper, but it's really good for printing if you're printing out a test and don't want to spend a lot of money. It's a good way to print something out and have it be inexpensive. And we've got blackout canvas, which is a very, very light, fast, and very sturdy type of substrate that you can print things on that is good for attaching to other stuff or using in installational graphics, something where you just need a sturdier base than paper. So you can see that we've got most of these styles in all these different rolls, and yeah, so that's pretty straightforward. But what I wanted to just say is that as always, if you have a project that you're doing or you have something you're setting up, take the time to come to the Print Center and talk with myself or one of the print technicians that works here, and we'll be more than happy to show you samples of all the paper so that you can see how it feels, what it does. We can show you the different options for the size that you're trying to print, of what options we have available, and we can also show you what will be the best value for you for pricing the paper. For is it more effective for you to print to a sheet, or is it something that we could gang up multiple documents and print less expensively on a larger format piece of paper? So yeah, that's it. Come in, talk to us. We're more than happy to help you out, and we're more than happy to educate you on what we've got. If there's specialty paper that you need or that your class needs, your teacher can get in touch with us and we can order it specially for your class. But the stuff that we carry here most of the time will probably take care of 95% of your needs. So come up, see us, and we'll be more than happy to educate you and show you what you need to know. So as always, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon. All right, take care.